the other part of Cuenca. Why?
It's too sunny.
Monument of Don Calderon, offered at the bottom of the Chincha and Children. This was built in 1885, process that took around 100 years to set.
Shred all the paper. Get rid of the feds are coming. So today we're going on a tour of Cuenca. It's to the on the blue line, which is to the other side of Cuenca that we went last time. So we're going up to see a big mirador, which is a view of the city. So we're going to post that up for you guys to see later.
Is the official name of this city, surrounded by the rivers and climate change affecting Pomebamba, which tells that these are completed by the archaeological ruins. Also next to the archaeological park is located the Pumapungo.
So we're going to go and see some hats were made.
Yes, that's amazing. And is there a certain... really don't know, because they feel like, I don't know, like 100 hats.
Yeah.
I really don't know how they because of the hat. To 20 to 40 minutes to give a style of a hat. Then this way over here they don't do it anymore because they have big machines by pressure and by steam. Then it took 20 to 40 seconds. It depends of the weaving and the finer of the hat to make it the shape.
Very similar like this.
Oh yeah. I'm checking out the hat coloration system.
Natural dots, like card dots.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, fantastic.
That full of Panama hats made in Ecuador.
Gives the different shapes of the hats. Here you can see more than 85 different form or molds that they use these big machines called press and made by, well, they are by pressure and by steam. They are in the 90 degrees. And these machines over here are Americans, have 100 years. The yellow is Italian and over there are Brazilian.
It's in there now.
120 litros de presión, 90 grados de temperatura.
120 pounds.
Oh wow, look at that.
Wow. So one press was still warm. And it's ready, one press?
No, they have 3 times. 3 times. First, and they go to the blue water, the second, and then they go to the
Okay, so those ones drying next door,
no, they go to a shop first to give this the detail, and they pump it. And it goes all once over there, once again there, put the glue, and they come here 2 times. The bullet and that's how more tight with the hat.
do they put manually or?
No, right? Yes.
Okay.
This part over here was made with crochet. Even the flowers are made with straw. This rake took 8 months to be made and has a cost of $3,000. Doing it here. So the daily work of the shop are 300 hats. 300 hats daily. If they had a really big request, they do more hats, but normally 300.
And they're falling in love with Ecuador hats, Panama hats.
we get to the corner. Good view. Here. I'm gonna stop, I think. Yeah, it's pulling in.